Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in one of Italy's most beautiful villages? Today, we bring you to Panicale. According to the legend, its name comes from the Greek pankalon. Everything is beautiful. And as you walk through its streets, you can see why. A medieval village in Umbria and a natural terrace overlooking Lake Trasimeno, the village's identity remains defined by its medieval structure, a layout built on 3 concentric elliptical squares. The central square is laid out over several levels, with a loggia overlooking the lake. For centuries, it has been the heart of the village's public life, markets, assemblies, decisions. Today, people find repose there. Lake Trasimeno visible in the distance, and the rhythm of village life slows to a gentle pace. Hidden among the streets of the historic center is the Ristorante Il Masolino, a typical Umbrian restaurant with a special grotto inside. And what if you could live just minutes from all this in absolute privacy? A few minutes from Panicale, among olive groves and hills, stands Casale del Pozzo, a 19th century farmhouse, carefully restored, enjoying natural light throughout the day and a view over the Nestore Valley opening between the olive trees. With approximately 275 square meters arranged over 2 levels, the farmhouse opens from the garden through 3 separate entrances. 2 porches, one facing north and one facing south, accompany the transition between indoor and outdoor living. On the ground floor, the spaces are generous and follow a clear logic. Moving on, the kitchen is the heart of the home, with a tall fireplace for grilling and a wood-fired oven for homemade bread and pizza. The sitting room, with a double-sided fireplace, opens onto the special living area. You can instantly imagine a winter evening here, with the fire crackling and the silence outside. The first floor offers a more intimate atmosphere. It features 3 double bedrooms and a luxurious Finnish sauna, complete with a shower. The master bedroom is a retreat with an ensuite bathroom and boasting a double bathtub. The kind of view you do not forget. The property includes a saltwater swimming pool nestled among the flourishing olive grove. A 100-meter deep artesian well provides full water autonomy. Furthermore, an outbuilding awaits restoration, offering an additional space ready to be customized. Casale del Pozzo has over 3 hectares of land, which includes approximately 300 olive trees and a small lake. This natural boundary effectively separates the property from the rest of the world. To discover what it would be like to live here, contact us for further information and to arrange a viewing.